Welcome to discover our CNC press brake, a premium solution setting new standards for precision, power, and efficiency in modern industry. Let's take a closer look.
The machine adopts a semi-enclosed structural design based on mature European press brake concepts, balancing operator safety, accessibility, and working visibility. The frame is manufactured with a one-piece welded steel structure, fully stress-relieved after welding, reducing internal stress and improving long-term structural stability. Equipped with the original Delem DA53T CNC controller, Netherlands, featuring touchscreen operation and graphical programming, automatically calculating bending angle, depth, and backgauge positions. Key selling components use notch sealing rings, Japan, reducing the risk of oil leakage, enhancing overall hydraulic system reliability. The backgauge system uses etch-win ball screws and linear dieways Taiwan, ensuring smooth movement and high repeat positioning accuracy, maintaining consistent part dimensions. MACHNIST provides tooling selection and customization based on application needs, helping customers balance accuracy, productivity, and tool life. The quick-release clamping system is provided by MACHNIST, reducing tool change time, improving productivity and operational safety. The electric crowning system adjusted according to material length and thickness, ensuring uniform bending angles along the full working length. Smooth rem movement, consistent bending process, ensuring accurate angles and good surface quality. Every MACHNIST press brake undergoes multiple accuracy inspections and functional tests before delivery, ensuring stable and reliable performance on site. MACHNIST Professional CNC press brake manufacturer, providing reliable bending solutions for global metal fabrication.